Okay, we're at Blue Springs State Park.
And this is the boardwalk.
This is the boardwalk
Out to the Blue Springs.
out to the Blue Springs. All right. Please remain on the boardwalk. We will do. Don't want to get bit by nothing anyways, huh? So far we've seen
Three turtles and a tortoise.
two turtles and a tortoise,
Bunch of birds.
and a lot of, they were like vulture birds or something. They were. Not seeing anything here so far. But we come in right after that big hurricane, so right now they're waiting for the water to recede. I guess it's quite flooded yet. Now look how clear that water is.
I mean, you can see minnows.
You can see right to the bottom.
Yeah.
That's how clear it is. All right. See what we got over here. Oh, really?
Thank you.
All right. Oh, check it out. Cool. Now that,
A young gator.
yeah, little baby feller. What's he sunning himself, looks like.
Yeah, it was over there and it swam to right there.
Really? So you actually got to see it moving.
Yeah, yeah, it swam over here.
Cool.
Now it's just chilling out there.
Yeah. Maybe he just got done eating dinner.
Yeah, it might have. There's a lot of fish in there.
Yeah. That is cool. Little baby alligator.
Oh, there's lots of fish over here, bud.
All right, let's see what we got going on over here. Oh, yeah. A lot of fish down there. Yeah. Wow. That's quite something. Well, now we've seen an alligator.
Yep.
That's cool. All right. See what else we can find.
Somewhere.
Oh, yeah. All right. A lot of little fishies down there. You see the alligator on the left over there?
No.
Walk right down there. There's a baby alligator on the right hand side. Your right hand side. Right down in there somewhere.
There's a turtle right there, baby.
Oh, where? Oh, yeah.
Keep on going.
Oh, yeah. I see it.
The kids are going to scare us. No way.
Yeah, look at that turtle. So that's 3 turtles, a tortoise, a baby alligator,
Bunch of fish.
bunch of fish.
Yeah, here's fish here. Too.
Yeah. I love them little
Kids are gonna
turtles.
piss me off 'cause I mean, they're kids though, because my
Yeah.
kids would have done the same thing.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Let it go.
Yeah, that's just the way it is.
My
You know, those look like Oscars.
They might be.
Tropical Oscars is what
this
those
is-
look
yeah, they
like.
do
They
look
sell at the fish stores.
Yep. Because this is where they come from.
Yeah.
I got you.
All right, until the next
turtle,
episode.
Christmas tree ornament.
A turtle Christmas tree ornament?
Yeah.
Cool.
We need to have a Christmas tree this year.
Yeah, I want to put up a Christmas tree. I feel like it this year.
Yes. Because we have
Yeah.
to start.
Our tradition.
Us.
Yeah, our traditions. That was,
He said when it comes down to it, it's us.
yeah, that was cool seeing that alligator,
Oh, that was awesome.
wasn't it? Well, especially this far north. Now, there's alligators this far north, but nowhere near as what they are
South.
towards the south.
Yeah.
All right. All right, we're getting in some dry areas now. All right, this video's been going for over 4 minutes. All right, to the next episode.